Yacht. A yacht was originally a light, fast sailing ship, mainly used for pleasure trips and cruising. Today, a yacht can be powered by sail or by an engine. Everything from small sailing boats to the huge luxury craft of billionaires can be called yachts. The word yacht and its strange spelling originally came from Dutch. A man who owns, manages or sails in a yacht is called a yachtsman. A woman who does the same is called a yachtswoman. The strange spelling and pronunciation of yacht causes problems even for native English speakers.